Look what we have here. I bet you haven't seen too many of these. It's a 1980 Toyota FJ43. The FJ43 is a longer wheelbase than the FJ40, has the custom pickup bed on the back, body off frame restoration, decked out with all sorts of fun off-road goodies. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 classic cars for sale. That's where you'll find the price tag, including on this one. And we have monthly payments available as well. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Appears to be a real solid truck. Got this big long hood. All looks good, straight, clean, proper. All looks nice. Shuts real nice. Got diamond plate running boards here, similar to diamond plate. All clean. The cab corners are all clean underneath here. You can feel it's all nice metal. Box is all metal. Got the hooks for tying down whatever items. Easy open tailgate. We'll show that in a little while. Tailgate's all clean, straight, says Toyota. Does have a little dent right there. Side of the box is clean, all nice, all metal. Cab corners, all real nice, straight. See how this door does. Oh, I think it's locked. There we go. Shuts nice too. Pretty solid for this type of car. Yeah, all clean metal, all down here, all nice, looking good, straight. On each side, there's a little hole drilled. I don't know, missing an emblem or something, but it's the same on both sides. So the body appears to be in excellent shape, solid. The color, I wouldn't put this on a Chevelle, but I think it's very fitting for an off-road vehicle like this. I think it looks great on here. The paint is very nice. It's not like my $100,000 Chevelles, but it's a smooth, glossy finish without any problem areas. I don't see any, issues. It all looks very nice. We have a locking gas door here. It looks like the doors do lock. Has the soft top in very nice shape. I just rolled this window up, so those zip both sides and the back window. That all looks real good. Looks like you got this nice bar. It's protection from things going too far forward into the cabin. Tail lights look good. All the nuts and bolts have been off. They've all been replaced. Four-wheel drive emblem. It does have a hitch and a receiver, and there's the license plate. Yeah, the box is really nice. You don't see that. This was a custom build, putting a box on the back of one of these. It has the extra long wheelbase, so they could do that. So I think it's a pretty neat combination. That's a real utility vehicle here. Tires look like they're pretty new. The rims are painted. The hubcaps look new. You got mirrors on both sides. Windshield looks like it folds down flat. That's what these chrome latches would be for. And again, every nut and bolt and screw that I see, you can tell has been off the car. Now these chrome latches, they're probably a cheap item. There's a little surface rust on the springs in that. Could easily change those out. Up front here, they've extended the front bumper, a 6,000-pound winch, halogen lights. Look at the fancy LED headlights. You got a light bar up there. So I think it really makes it cool, whether you go off-road and use all this stuff or not. I think it looks neat. And again, the high lift jack. So yeah, that's ready to go to some car shows, go to the hardware store, or go out in the woods. Let's open it up. This is one tough truck, and that's because it's simple. You got the latches here, not like today's trucks where you can open them by remote or electric. Good old-fashioned metal tailgate that drops all the way down. Inside the box is immaculate. It's not beat up or scratched. It's in really nice shape. Surprisingly nice. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when the new videos are posted. Check out our website too, volocars.com. This is a neat vehicle. I like it. I like seeing something different come in. So the interior metal and the jambs, it's all been painted to match. Weather strips were replaced. Kind of looks like door latches might be new. Door panels look like new, says Land Cruiser right on them. Now the dash looks to be original, repainted, but all authentic, original gauge cluster. They've labeled. Once you get this home and you figure out what everything is, you can obviously peel the tape off, but it's nice that it's labeled. There's a modern stereo, shifting instructions, and the four-wheel drive instructions. Oh, wow, how deep that is. I'm really surprised. You got some paperwork for the stereo and for the jack. Power disconnect, that's right, up underneath here with a key. Kills all the power, and you can take the key with you. Now it's a rubber mat that looks like that's been replaced. You got the for the four-wheel drive, and then you got the four-speed transmission, and then you have the e-brake. The seats feel like new cushions, new upholstery. Has retractable seat belts. Has remotes for the winch. Now behind the seat is just metal storage. You can throw your goods back there. And you can't see it, but up on your side there's an interior light. All cloth top in real nice shape, new visors. And then it has a nice cushion grip steering wheel. So yeah, it's a cool truck so far. I like it. Those seats do flip forward, by the way. So I'm not going to pretend like I'm an expert, but this is an upgraded, bigger engine. This is the 4.2 liter. That's an inline 6-cylinder, a 2F. I think it was a 3.9 that was in here. All clean, solid painted metal. Batteries bolted down. Power steering. Has the horns, upgraded aluminum radiator. Complete air cleaner assembly, all that. It's proper, the way it should be. Also has power brakes. And it may have a hydraulic clutch. That's what that reservoir right there is for. So Michael's going to take you out for a drive. Hopefully he keeps it on the road and doesn't go off four-wheeling. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Today we have the world's toughest four-wheel drive. It's a 1980 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43, and this has got a pickup truck conversion on it. Really cool how it's got like the extra storage space behind the seats, covered by the tarp there, and then you have the full pickup truck bed behind you for lots of cargo area. So this one's great, full detailed restoration on it. I'd call it essentially a nut and bolt restoration. When you look around the outside of the body, all the nuts and bolts have been replaced, and yeah, looking good. Really cool earth tone paint here. Olive brown is what we're calling it. The top is removable. The rear side windows do roll down, and also kind of secure in the lower position if that's what you want, to protect you from the rain, things like that. It'd be really cool though to take the whole top off here and just ride around without it. You can see it's all velcroed in and everything like that. Should come off pretty easily. I have not taking it any further than that right there. But yeah, let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to about highway speeds, no problem. Seems like we are doing a little off-roading here with this road construction we got going on. Very cool. It's handling the bumps very nicely. We got these beefy BFG All-Terrain tires. They are 30-inch tires, and yeah, they can handle a lot of different conditions for sure, including this road construction here. So we got a 4.2 liter inline 6-cylinder engine. This thing is bulletproof. It's been sitting in our showroom for about a week, and I got in, pumped the gas 2 times, fired right up. Nice clean idle on it. You guys just saw how it accelerates, the power that it's got. Rated at 135 horsepower, more than adequate for basically all needs, on-road and off-road. 4-speed manual transmission, feels great, extremely easy to use. This clutch is feather light. I'm literally not putting hardly nothing into my knee at all. I did notice though when we were accelerating there that our speedometer is not working. We will go ahead and put a work order in for that and have that addressed and repaired. Lots of cool other things on here. So it does of course have the fold down windshield if you like, and then it's got a bunch of extras too, like a super tall high lift jack over there, 6,000 pound electric winch, and it has remote controls to operate it as well, halogen fog lamps, and let's see, it's got aftermarket really cool looking headlights on it as well, and then a full light bar up here. So we'll go this way right here. Also electric wipers on this one. But yeah, it felt great going around the block there, hitting all those bumps, a little off-roading. Everything seems really, really good, nice and tight on this one. Not too bouncy or nothing. Let's see how she goes down the street. Holding it straight. So yeah, feels good, runs good. I'm really liking this one. Love the paint color too. Our shop went ahead and went through this vehicle top to bottom. There was a couple minor issues that they addressed, basically just maintenance type things. You can go ahead and check out all the details of that on our website. Also, if you'd like to drive it, come visit us in Volo, Illinois. We're totally transparent and we welcome you with open arms. You can come down, spend as much time as you'd like with the car. We can even put it up on a lift for you if you wanted to take a look underneath, which this one's really nice and clean. Everything rebuilt, really top to bottom on it. But yeah, totally cool. Somebody's gonna love this one. And check out all the details, pictures, and the full description on volocars.com.
So as I said, it was body off the frame restoration. Underbody is all painted this color. It all looks solid metal. The frame and chassis components are all painted black. And then the mechanical components all look very fresh. Disc brakes in front, calipers, all that looks fresh. Front end components are very fresh. You can see a new part right here. We had an alignment done on it. Shocks look new. Exhaust system looks brand new. And then even looking up at the motor, the 4-speed trans, the transfer case, all that looks clean, fresh. So good old truck. Now one of these sold for $286,000, which yeah, sounds crazy, but these are really popular vehicles. That's a really nice example. Go to volocars.com. I see we do have a piece of rubber. It needs to be glued. We'll take care of that. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.